And again, what do you see? Balloon. What else? Pictures. What else? Flowers. Bees. What else? Lies. Toastmaster. And me before toast. Now, combine all of that. What do you have in your mind? A what? A room. A wedding. Yes. To me, this room is a wedding room. And who will we marry today? Toastmaster.
Oh God.
Yes. Each of us today will vow our life forever with toast. Yes to that, but let's not increase the dramatic right now. Okay? So now, they say that what matters the most is not the finish line, but the journeys that you travel. And do you know where that line comes from? Do you know? It comes from Naruto.
Again?
Just kidding! It's not from Naruto. But we all feel familiar with that line in every second of our life. We all live by that rule. We all enjoy each and every second and moments in our life. And when we do something, we don't care.